boots on the ground, put it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you'll have it for years, days, months to come, my friends. My friends, I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart, you that participated in our new trade. I know a lot of you will come on board here. Our last little book, we just launched it here. In fact, we just had 2 nights ago, we just had the launch dinner at the Bahama Breeze. It was a nice restaurant, nice drinks, nice food, all that good stuff, my friends. And if you're ever in the area and we launch something, I'd like for you to attend also. It'd be very, very nice. Investing in lithium, baby knockouts now, my friends. You that have that book. And if you can, my friends, if you haven't already, I know some of you have, could you maybe do me the honor of putting up a little review in some of those stocks? Because I have those stocks and I'll have a whole lot more baby knockouts for you in that area. We think that's an exciting area, my friends, and we're going to do exceptionally well there, my friends. I'm going to show you, my friends, these charts here in a minute. I know when we left off on Friday, we only had one stock, uranium stock, that was over, the uranium stock was over its 200-day moving average. Now, we'll see if it's been joined by any others over his 200-day moving average or so. A lot of these stocks, my friends, have been beaten down a little bit. We think there's an oversold bounce due, but in the charts, there is a divergence developing. I'll tell you about here in a second, my friends. But once again, I just want to thank all of you, my teams. We have the Super Bowl coming up. Shout out to the Cincinnati Bengals. Shout out to Strip. Shout out to the Los Angeles Rams that'll be there. I know Strip has been calling it all year for the Bengals and all. Congratulations to you guys. He's a big silver gold guy. He's our resident expert here. He's done an outstanding job. My boy Ron in Cleveland there, and they got work to do, and we have work to do here. But we have a new coach. We got a new foundation here in the Las Vegas area, the Las Vegas Raiders. So we'll see how that pans out, my friends. But I just want to thank all of you, and I want to show you these charts for a minute. I don't want to, this is going to be very short and sweet and to the point here. And I'll show you this divergence that's developing, and I'll show you some of these charts, and you tell me your opinion of them, Also, my friends, hold on one second. Let me see if I can get who jumped on me there. It was Arthur. Arthur jumped on me. Yeah. Arthur said, "What's going on, Mickey D? You've lost your touch. Your ideas. If I shorted your ideas, I'd have made a lot of money. I'd be retired by now. If I'd have backed up the truck on Winston Gold and blueberries and stuff." Yeah, those were two trades that were kind of off. They were bad trades. They did not get the job done at all, my friends. But we anticipate better days ahead. Okay, better days ahead. All right, my friends, love you. Let's take a look at these charts real quick. Let's start off with the S&P 500. Remember on Friday, we said the 200-day moving average, the S&P 500 was over the 200-day moving average. SPY was over. Wow, incoming call. I don't know if you got the same thing I got just now. So I'm not looking at this thing, guys. But anyway, it was interruption there. Sorry about that. But the SPY right here, the SPY was over on Friday, and it's continued to go up and away there. After hours today, yeah, there's an issue. It'll be coming down a little bit. It may come down and retest its 200-day moving average. We shall see, my friends. But the divergence I was talking about here is, as we're going up, but we're going up on lower and lower volume. Volume's going down here as we go up. That's not a sign that most technicians like to see. Let's see if this is happening with the Dow, with the diamonds, as signified the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Here we have the 200-day moving average here. We're down. We're coming back up here. We got a couple days of up, and we're coming up a few days. But once again, the volume here is kind of petering out on us. So that's a little rough. Sorry about that one there, guys. Let's go with the Qs. We're talking the NASDAQ. We're talking QQQs. We're talking technology. It's in the 200-day moving average. Technology has been slammed. Well, it looks like a V shape coming up here, just over its 200-day moving average. But there are after-hour problems here. We'll see what tomorrow brings, my friends, whether we'll go down and crash below it or go back up. We'll see what the day brings. Once again, the volume is not exactly what we want to see when we're headed up. We don't like to see the volume going down as we're headed up. Remember, consolidated on our uranium sector, it was one of the only ones that was above its 200-day moving average. Look at it now. Back, it may retest that 200-day moving average, what was once resistance, which was what was once support, may be resistance, my friends, on a lot of these. Let's take a look at the Cameco as we go up here. Cameco 200-day moving average here. We're going up, and let's see if we can blast through that after a couple times or so. Let's see if we can blast through that. It was down a couple percent today. What was over? Consolidated was over. Sky Harbor was over its 200-day moving average. Who else? Elevate was over its 200-day moving average. Not very many, my friends. If you want to look at the North Shore, look at the Uranium, the ETF, 200-day moving average, still below its 200-day moving average, which I like. I did pick, it was about 62, I think it was, where I just picked up just a little bit, guys, just a little bit. It was like at 62 or so, and I think that was a decent price. To go. Did we take a look at Boss? Boss is just above its 200-day. Also, when you think of the Qs, my friends, you think of the big, you think of them. They've led the way now they've been leading the way for years. But will this market be will Apple lead the market? And Apple has not gone down below its 200-day moving average. You see, Apple was still cruising away. It corrected a little bit, and now it's back up. Maybe in trouble a little bit tomorrow. We'll see if the overall market goes down. And what about Amazon? Will this be an Amazon market also? Look at Amazon, 200-day moving average. It's crashed through its 200-day moving average. Just trying to make its way back up, my friends. But Amazon, one of those bellwethers there, that when it goes down along with Apple, it seems like the market wants to go down also. But we'll see, my friends. Definitely our uranium stocks will, I believe, be bouncing back. We need a little catalyst. We need Sprott to do their thing and what have you, It is what it is right now, my friends. It is what it is right now. And, I'm not selling anything. I'm just prickling here and there, a little bit here and there. That's about it. I'm not making no major purchases or anything. I am, though, with our new trade. Any extra dinero I've been adding to that, my friends. We may have with our uranium stock, we may have some action over in Kastatum Prom. Over in that area here. It looks like we're building up more troops there. The Russians are building troops there. Who knows? We may have a Cold War for 10 years. I don't think there'll be a shooting war or anything. I don't think I really don't think Russia wants to get down like that, But if they do, then we'll have to take a look and see what some of our uranium stocks will do if that area becomes too risky to transport stuff or get stuff out of there. Everybody's in bunkers or what have you. We'll see, my friends. There may be a supply disruption. You never know. You never know. But anyway, hey, those are pretty much the way things are looking. The S&P 500 above, the Dow above its 200-day. All these above their 200-day moving averages. The Qs above their 200-day moving average. For how long? We don't know. And every now and then, one of our stocks will prick its head up over the 200-day. So these are just early starters that are not violating their 200-day, my friends. Consolidated here, but we have plenty that are, my friends, and they're going up just like Cameco and back down. So we'll see how that goes. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. If you haven't gotten a copy of Investing in Lithium Baby Knockouts Now, USA, Canada, Chile, Argentina, Australia, China, my friends, there'll be a link here for you to get that. You definitely want to be part of this trade, my friends. What can we say? There's going to be a shortage of lithium. With 1,000-pound batteries for EV cars, what do you guys think? And we already have a company right now that's only using lithium. There's no cobalt and there's no nickel. So interesting, exciting times, my friends. Exciting times. Get in early. That's what we do. We get way ahead of the crowd and we make things happen, my friends, for us. And we make things happen for our families, because when it's all said and done, at the end of the day, we had to put food on the table. That's what we have to do. And that's what you have to do for your family, my friends. You got to put food on the table. That's what we do. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends.